If I was a visitor from another planet and you said I work on these things called slime molds, and just tell me as vividly as you can what a slime mold is and what's special about it.
Well, first place, there are two kinds of slime molds. There are the myxomycetes, which are quite different, not totally different, but quite different. And I work on the cellular slime molds. And in the case of cellular slime molds, if you find free-living amoebae in the soil, and you find that they periodically come together to form fruiting bodies, and that's it. Then you have cellular slime molds, and that's very different from growing from an egg to an elephant. And it's not only internally, but its relationship to the environment is much more complex. As a slime mold may be, if it's bacteria around, they eat. If they're not, they don't eat. They don't die. They can insist and form spores.
Did you ever dream about slime molds?
I haven't in a long, long time. Dancing girls. I haven't actually. It's interesting. So what? Maybe we have to promote a dream.